Hello, everybody. This is the morning weather update for Alexandria, Virginia. It's July the 3rd, about 8:30 a.m. I'm going to focus today just on tomorrow's weather. Today should be pretty rain-free, but tomorrow we do have some issues potentially in the morning, and so we're going to be discussing that. Okay, what you see here is the latest North American model data being displayed through BuffKit. And as you can see at the bottom here, we have three green dots. That usually means a moderate to heavy rainfall. And this is currently set for 7 a.m. on Saturday morning, tomorrow, the 4th of July. So it's looking like the morning hours tomorrow are going to be a bit wet. And there is a slight chance that we may see a severe thunderstorm, though that's sort of up in the air. Actually, the models do not agree. But what I want to do is I want to advance this a little bit through to about fireworks time, and that would be about 9 p.m. And as you can see, our rain has disappeared. And let me go up and give you the overview here. If you notice, early Saturday morning, about 2 a.m., it's going to start raining. It's going to peak about, let me move this back here, about 6 a.m. It looks like the heaviest rain could very well be falling. These white areas, this shows cloud level. And as you can see, as we progress into early morning tomorrow, the clouds are going to be very low. They're going to be under 5,000 feet. And so we got very low cloud level, very high rain rate. This is projecting about 6/10 of an inch by, let me see, 6/10 of an inch by 1 p.m. in the afternoon. So if you're going to be down in the mall to see the concerts and the other activities in the mall tomorrow, you're definitely going to need rain gear. It's going to be potentially very heavy rain, and so you need to be prepared for that. But when we get into the 9 p.m. period, let me bring that up here. This line is the 9 p.m. period, and as you can see, the cloud, there may be some clouds about maybe 7,000 feet, but they should clear out by perhaps 8 p.m. So by 9 p.m., it's quite possible we're going to be cloud free, and so the fireworks should get a good display. Okay. Now, the other thing I want to take a look at, I want to go back to early morning. Let me see where this is. Yeah, right where the highest rain is projected for 7 a.m. We have a severe weather threat index of 384. That anything above 300 is something we need to pay attention to. But up here, I want you to take a look here. It's showing that the convective available energy is 0, and the CAP index is very high. And those two indices, when you have CAPE 0 basically, and the CAP index are very high, that suppresses the development of thunderstorms. So even though we have a severe weather threat index that's high, I think it's only a slight chance that we're going to see anything severe early in the morning tomorrow. But it's something we need to just pay attention to. Okay, now we're going to go to this, and this is where the severe threat is the issue. If we look just at the latest NAM, DC is right here. We're totally in the clear. There's no color at all that indicates there's any elevated threat level. But if we go and display this through the global forecasting system, the GFS, we see we are right on the edge of a green area. And so, GFS is saying that there's a little bit bigger chance for a severe thunderstorm to develop about 8 a.m. tomorrow. But NAM is saying it's pretty low. So we have to just keep an eye on that. Okay, this is the high resolution NAM, the 4-kilometer NAM, and I have this set for 8 a.m. On tomorrow, Saturday, and it's showing that we have some chance of rain right in 8 a.m. Though it doesn't have as much suggested as the regular NAM says. But let's see if we move this up to, let's see here. Okay, this is 8 p.m. Tomorrow, and it's showing that we should be relatively free of rain at fireworks time. Again, a good sign for the fireworks. Okay, this is the 12-kilometer NAM, the regular NAM, and this is set. Let me move this back a little bit. Let's see, we want this to, okay. Yeah. This is 2100 hours Zulu, which is, let me double check, make sure. This is 5 p.m. On Saturday. And let's move this up a little bit here. This is 8 p.m. Okay. DC is here, Alexandria there. Again, it's showing just the slightest amount of chance of rain on around 8 p.m. But if we go a little further, it totally disappears. Again, a good sign for the fireworks. And this is the regular NAM displaying CAPE, the convective available energy. This is set for, let me see, we'll bring this up to 8. Okay, let me make sure I got this right. Let's see, 9. Okay, that's 4 a.m. We want to go up a little farther. Okay, this is 8 a.m. On tomorrow. And again, it's showing all the Cape is pretty much southeast of us. Nothing much here. Again, that is a good indication that we're not going to have any severe weather tomorrow. Though there is a slight chance, so we need to keep that in mind. And if we advance this up, we see that the Cape really never gets close to us, very close to us. It's right here at 5 p.m. It's the closest point to the DC area. Okay, in summary, I think we can expect that the early morning hours tomorrow, perhaps up until noon, are going to be rainy. So if you're going out early to get a good place for the concerts, you need to bring rain gear. Things should clear by 8 p.m. tomorrow. Should be rain-free probably after 1 p.m. for sure. And the clouds should clear by 8 p.m. tomorrow. So you should have a good view of the fireworks. Okay, if you have any questions, you can give me a tweet at PatPend, P-A-T-P-E-N-D, and I'll answer them as quickly as possible. Thanks. Bye-bye.